most popular geographical place located in San Vicente, Trinidad, Bohol. Now, let's tour around this wonderful place.
Free as a bird in the sky, that is what you want.
Tourists visit this place because of its clean and refreshing surroundings,
Breathe and you know you're
breathtaking views.
the beat of your heart.
Parties, events, and other activities can be held in Vicana Nature Park because they have a function hall. It's something you must discover for yourself at least once in a lifetime. It is recommended to the visitors to do sort of activities such as swimming, roam around, relax, take photographs, and stay up for rest.
Live for today. Keep chasing the sun.
The site doesn't just a place for fun and excitement, but also to improve the bond of friendship and great place to spend time with your family. During nighttime, parties and other events are good to be held and performed in Vicana Nature Park because of its ambience and the wide place of it.
I wanna be there with you, no matter where you go.
The site has a cafeteria which offers the customer a service to cook for any recipes they want to eat. If you are a nature lover and love plants, you can also buy different plants such as flowers. There is an outdoor activity like horseback riding and trampoline where you can enjoy it.
Don't wait for tomorrow.
But that didn't stop us to roam around this beautiful place.
Keep chasing the sunshine.
Sadly, as we visit the place, the weather was bad because it rained very hard. The best thing to do here in summer is swimming and have picnic because it is the main attraction of it. Also, it has a big area in which you can have picnic together with your family or friends.
Go and see Vicana Nature Park! Bye!
As we interviewed of same tourists, they said that the place is really what they're looking for because it is relaxing and will help to relieve their stress. Also, it is more enjoyable because they are together with their loved ones and that makes their vacation more memorable.
Hey, yeah.